In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create budgets in Hubstaff. We'll start from the project management area in Hubstaff, because that's where budgets are set up and managed. First, open the left side project management menu by clicking the back arrow. Once that menu is expanded, click on projects. This will take you to the main projects page, where you can either create a brand new project with a budget or update an existing one. If you want to create a new project, click Add Project. Before you get to the budgeting section, make sure you fill in the basic project details first. This part is important because Hubstaff needs the core project information in place before you configure limits and budget settings. Take a moment to enter the required details carefully so everything is organized correctly from the start. After that, click the Budget and Limits tab. This is the section where you define how the project should be controlled financially or by time. Go ahead and fill in the details shown in this area. Depending on your setup, this may include things like budget amounts, time limits, or notifications. The key here is to review the settings carefully so the budget matches the needs of the project and helps you track spending or hours more effectively. Once you have entered the budget and limit details, click Save. That will create the project with your budget settings applied. Now, if you don't need to create a new project and instead want to add a budget to a project that already exists, the process is very similar. From the Projects page, select an existing project, then click on Action and choose Edit Project. This opens the project settings so you can make changes without starting over. Inside the project editor, go to the Budget and Limit section, fill in the necessary details, and then click Save. That updates the project with the budget settings you want. A helpful tip here is to double check your budget values before saving, especially if you're managing multiple team members or client-based work. Even a small mistake in limits can affect reporting and project tracking later on. It's also a good idea to review existing project budgets from time to time, especially if timelines, scope, or workload change. And that's it. Whether you're setting up a new project or updating an existing one, Hubstaff makes it straightforward to create budgets once you know where to find the right settings.